What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we got the STI out today. You know how it is there. We got my buddy with his 05 GTI coming out today, VW. He's coming up. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna do some car mods. We're gonna get to shit. We're gonna get shit done. Stick around if you're new to the channel. Subscribe. All right, guys, I just randomly decided to go to Walmart and get a cheap $150, I think I spent on it, power washer with the foam option on it, which is just a little add-on piece right there that you buy. And so far it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna let her soak for a little bit, rinse it off, and we're gonna see what the results are. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna go get something to drink, go home and start editing all these videos, so hopefully get that up tonight. So alright, guys, take her easy, stay man.